Sarah Bryars, Target Public Relations, and I'm the Chief Executive. When I came to lead, I think I thought of it very much as going to Chief Executive School. You know, it was my chance to kind of really learn how to take on my role more fully and get the most from it and give the most from it. So I guess I describe it as a leadership learning experience. It's been an amazing journey actually through Lead, and I think what's remarkable about it is that it's all the elements coming together and actually the longevity of it, the fact that it's over 10 months. And I think that's actually one of the really key points about Lead, is that allows you the time to learn from some amazing speakers, and the masterclasses have been really excellent. But also the peer-to-peer learning is, I think, one of the really special parts of it. And we do that through discussion within masterclasses, but also coaching and chances to come together and learn from each other. And I think it's the combination of being part of a cohort of business leaders who are sharing everything that they've learned, and the stimulation of experts and best in class coming in to prompt you and ask questions of you, and give you some really practical tools too, that's been really helpful. And what I've tried to do is bring that learning back into the organisation, and some of it actually is just for me, and it's about me learning and building confidence. And there are other things which are really practical that I've been able to take back into board, and we've worked through together, and we've involved the whole team in getting ready for change and deciding where it is that we want to go next.